you can tag people and companies in your LinkedIn post. Now, before we start, make sure that you've installed LinkedIn and logged into it. Now, let us begin. Open up your LinkedIn first and, just create a post. And after you do that, here you can type whatever you want. Now, let us type, hello, how are you all? You started an internship in Google. So let's just assume that. Now what you'll need to do is tap on this @ button right here and search for Google. Now after you tap on it, select the company's name and that tags the company. Now similarly, you can just again continue to do so and you can tag people in similar way. Now you can add I would like to thank. Now here you can add people like this. Make sure that you tag someone you know and someone that's on your network, and after that you can just select whatever you want. Now like this, here you can add even medias, events, jobs, polls and whatnot, and on the top you can select the anyone button and select who can see your post. And after doing all that, you can just tap on post on the top right and you'll have posted this post by tagging people and companies. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you tag people and companies in LinkedIn. And with that, our video comes to an end, guys. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And bye bye, take care.